Good evening and welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Sel Beruba. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, wow, but subscription button no so the amame. Now, boy, mama, Jumedi amene wudi wahana timi. Akonenim from Adum to Adum. We're moving forward from one stage to the other. Now, my other account, which is SO TV Football. Now, alcohol so now I search SOTV. SOTV the Bognoama space. Now the football account I can subscribe to that channel. I'm subscribing to the Omudi dance say yeah Juma ewo hopa na yeah the abonze Porcupine Stand the can in abum na enumre the ababat SOTV football is a Kotoko de ba ku ba yetimi de tum wo ho na enumre ni aba ni abo adem ni atrem ni ayama enumre. But then some don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, for bare 1 week, the question of the day because we do it when necessary. Now, anyway, there's this conversation. ASANTE Kotoko. Any am to the huns and some our players Marco enum and eba justify. Me no the edit ni by amount for I think I have to do it. And I'm the man who comment me and don't worry. I'll delve deep into the other three, 2 center backs, 1 defensive midfielder, Dean Bibri and Nama. I'll do it at the right time. But the conversation has to do with justify. And people have issues with the fact that ASANTE Kotoko decided to say players are omufra manonia, omunshare omono, omumbra embe justify man forces a Kotoko pa. They should just send their technical team to these countries. Don't forget, say players no Côte d'Ivoire baako, Mali baako, Benin baako. So Côte d'Ivoire and Salah Mohammed plays in the Ivorian League. The Mali International plays in the Saudi Arabian League or Saudi Arabia. The center back baako Omar and Benin, which is Romanik Amusu, or no Egypt Ismaili. When issues with the contract in which he's not getting playing time. So 2 were Saudi, 1 were Omar, and Bako were Egypt, and Bako were Cote d'Ivoire. So you see that it will be difficult for Kotoko to send their technical team members to all these countries. So do you think, say, Kotoko momun konko shomo, no mun decide and answer players nimbra? Now I'm going to justify. There's not a technical issue, so we can all drop our comments. I'll delve deep into that. This is a promise I'll make sure I will deliver. I'll definitely do it. But you can also drop your comment on this particular conversation. Kotoko, and no anko show and I say Ghana. All factors considered, cost, everything considered. What do you think? I'm much best on that debate. That there's a good news. Danlad Ibrahim. Berekum nibi. That is the good news. Danlad Ibrahim. Berekum. We all know that Danlad for some time now. Mese Kotoko Midiama game. And also Mese Kotoko match on my boy against Timwa. Your friend Lagos Cities. Danlad and Timi Bobby. He had issues with his waist. Now the good news is that Danlad can make the trip. From training indications, it appears that Moise Poitier likely saw no mum and a better goal post no at the ASANTE Kotoko. But on the Frederick Asai was suspension. Inti imagine saying Danlad anya fitter. It gave you a Kotoko will travel with 1 goalkeeper, which is a risk. But the good news is that Danlad everything make the squad. Now I join the team no at the Berekum no but John Tedeku. Kotoko Media will confirm it on Friday, a day before the game. But John Tedeku is also out of the game. Enoch Morrison, Yakahun Sendibri. We will go into that. Henry Ansu, we confirm Ansu is out of the game. The Nino, I won't send some untiminsia. Kenyan said this weekend, Richmond Lamte Suku Jane Papa Kwai, ne Papa Efrimo Kujano. Therefore, we all know that Lamte cannot make the squad. Apart from that, on one Kasano, on yet fit to play the game. So the free oba me de Emma Kotoko game some Gakoba against Berekum Chelsea Shishenum. Samuel Buodu mini game ne pair ye. And one seminal some Kessie. We all know say open venues ba kwa Kotoko kwa ya nsem etai esi yi doma Berekum so ya another. Don't forget energy former ASANTE brands and marketing manager now or in charge of policies energy nyina nim de kosi wo Berekum to ekoto ya na nyina asema asefam. There have been issues at Taisi wo Berekum nti ye be stress mpanifo be tighten security our Kotoko game about against Berekum Chelsea mpe de si wo domano ebi san be si bi ebo na operations manager administrative manager untimi nko pre-match and all those things yes you don't forget this is a very very difficult game because Kotoko will be playing against Samuel Boadu, a former coach Takwa from my records Kotoko and Tinyashe Midiama home and now Kotoko kwa we akoshe Takwa under Samuel Boadu owini all the 3 games of home against ASANTE Kotoko owini nina. That is a record they see with Takwa. Okopie mo hard to focus ASANTE Kotoko and Tinyanko she has da under Samuel Boadu ebra no one crime. Ye can't the matches of boy will fear matches ASANTE Kotoko and Tinyanshe has under Samuel Boadu home and also so I think in the last 5 matches as Samuel Boadu abo against ASANTE Kotoko the home no ASANTE Kotoko intimi and this makes the game intensive and difficult for Kumasi ASANTE Kotoko. Yanko other issues Abdul FATAWU Shafiu a player ASANTE Kotoko signing no second round in Ombeshim now Ombe add value to the ASANTE Kotoko attack. At the time now Mukwala and the only player also goes for ASANTE Kotoko. Kalu Watara had 2 goals and Ziggy had none. Georges Infegi had none. Na no story na about Infegi ko has na has for no ehwehwia say Infegi contract there we ya has be fan medin koma ko omo hwe no omo ni nko this news no atiatri ne tra out of folks omo ni nko they've not observed a year Infegi. That is just by the way. So Kotoko decided to sign Abdul FATAWU Shafiu. Unfortunately, contract na ntimi anko senior penal signing 2-year deal. Man tibiana FATAWU Shafiu ebeje 10,000 Ghana cedis in can film 240,000 Ghana cedis as salary and anka Abdul FATAWU Shafiu beje contract no for medical grounds ASANTE Kotoko terminate contract no ema omokas omuntimi ene FATAWU Shafiu intimi enye adwuma. Shafiu take case no on e ko dan PFAG Professional Footballers Association of Ghana. Now I'm throw 2 letters break Kotoko ya churches ansem no nyina. I'm just running you through. Eventually they decided to settle the issue ewofie, but entimi antentam. And now the news is that last week Abdul FATAWU Shafiu ASANTE take Kotoko on to the player status committee. Let me state this, that my source tells me or the court will demand 400,000 Ghana cedis as compensation for the fact that Kotoko publisher said were failing medicals. According to the player, one failing medicals and no nimgwasia Kotoko gunu inti. Player status committee NGSS can mano as compensation. Again, the contract musika ne shemuno se Kotoko agina faako etwam na omene na nko bankrum dia ono so demand 240,000 Ghana cedis to kamboma 640,000 Ghana cedis na player no demand as to say officially player status committee actual letter the ASANTE Kotoko. I cannot say, but my sources tells me last week and the case no status committee they will definitely invite Kotoko, but last 2 weeks now me this Shafiu Nkomo and Kotoko still believe that they used the right means or more just cause to terminate the contract of FATAWU, and therefore their fans should not be scared that any damages about the yere Kotoko yenje IMC nindi. Na yen hope say indeed they know what they are doing with the FATAWU case. Again, Solomon Safutela a player back na ansanama ko Safutela de no so no. Mamemfa nto anim say Abdul Rafik oye goalkeeper Kotoko fano from Wasunta obaye obeprae Kotoko ye ne surgery bosumi bia na ketwe 2000 Ghana cedis Kotoko an register no but bosumi bia oje Clinton Opoku bosumi so oje na ketwa na abrante fan RASHID NORTEY ono so bosumi bia so oje na ketwa de ba na ye say ASANTE company for decide say season ni ba wie ya omaketwa ndi ombe ye ho adwuma na emum moving to next season. Players now still moving to next season. They might have contact ASANTE Kotoko, but only the plans of ASANTE Kotoko mono. Na and then from what I'm picking, a bit me I started this month. Sunday season we no met me yomo from their books. Players no bosomen so Emma Kotoko ntuomoka whilst they've not been registered and playing for ASANTE Kotoko and also. Finally, Solomon Safutela, Ghana Football Association Disciplinary Committee, punished Safutela for a friend double registration. And TCC Kotoko can have just cause to terminate the contract of Solomon Safutela. Don't forget, Afiankasa, Iwiremu Kotoko, players or Mutiomuka or man register on Safutela Diano, na ASANTE Kotoko. Professional Football Association of Ghana PFAG kuwa Ghana players dom Safutela de na asem ekuja omo de ko mother body which is FIPRO na de me picking is omo take case no to CAS say CAS enkabi emfama Solomon Safutela na de omo penny omo pe an injunction on the decision of the disciplinary committee. Injunction ne ba na kire say Solomon Safutela ebetimi ato akoso asiakan ebra CAS egusu hwehwe case no mo di asem no omo pese example Interlies versus Ghana Football Association against ASCOD players ebra FA no disciplinary committee 2 years 3 years ban two players no so no omo de call CAS the injunction two case no so ema players no call so asiakan ebra na CAS handle the substantive issue. Enubi and omope ede ama Safutela. Again, when we say the decision of the disciplinary committee, there are flaws in it, and they are expecting CAS to overturn the issue. Now, omuntimimboa Safutela for him to come back and play football. Tinyoma mienue and omope. You be expect when CAS officially ebetro Edi Abre Ghana Football Association and the response of Ghana Football Association. Would Safutela win the case? Our CAS Safutela issue we Mamenka will say the GFA prosecutor the kind of verdict by a clear Taylor and sana later court DC ama another verdict bar yes suspended Safutela. These are a year enumere stories kakre wohono and my body bedea made the from the camp of ASANTE Kotoko. Legon City bonus has been paid to ASANTE Kotoko players. Inti ansana ombeko Berekum a canny salaries, a canny bonus for ASANTE Kotoko players. Midi OBED, a champion say OBED, and no enemy din. PORCUPINE stand on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Chana,